Hello and welcome to yet another video tutorial for OutrangeHomestead.com, a website designed by FullWebSolutions.com. In this tutorial, we'll go over some of the steps involved in processing orders from the website store for digital downloadable products. The digital file typically gets automatically emailed or sent or made available pretty much right away upon checkout. This tutorial mainly focuses on physical products that do require physical processing, whether it be shipped or picked up in person. So in this case, this is what the customer would see when they complete an order. So once they complete the order on the website, they would see the order number and some of the details of what they purchased, along with the billing address and all the other information, what product they purchased, how much it was, and how are they going to pay. So in this case, it's cash on pickup or email money transfer. The other option being, of course, the credit card transaction. In that case, the payment would be collected upfront. So what happens after the order is placed? So typically, two emails get sent out almost immediately. The first one goes to the customer or the client, and it's basically a confirmation of the order, and it says the email is addressing that the person placed the order. So thank you for your order, and then hi customer ABC, just to let you know we've received your order. So this basically is the order. And then the other email that goes to the store manager or the website owner. So this is something that you would get, and it would say you've got a new order number 2119, and you've received the new order. So you're going to go ahead and process this order. So what would happen next? So the order number is 2119. So what all you got to do is you got to go back to the website backend, and I'm just going to refresh here, and I am going to WooCommerce, and as you can see over here, I got a 1 against my order, so I got a new order. So the email would prompt you that there's an order. You would come here and go to your orders, and you can see over here there was order number 2119. You can quickly look at it from here. You can see the billing address, the email, the phone number, and how they picked it up, how they'll pick it up. So its status is processing. So suppose you go ahead and prepare the product, and the product is ready to be either shipped or picked up. We'll focus more on the product being picked up, as shipping is something you would probably do down the line. So I would go ahead and click on the order number. So you can see here it's a bigger breakdown of what they ordered, uh, some of the other things. So on the very far right, you can see this customer has two orders altogether. You can do different things. You can send order details to customer. You can resend new order notification. If it's a digital product, you can regenerate download permissions. In this case, what I want to focus on is the order notes. So I can go ahead and I can say I'm going to add a note, and now this note can be of two types. It can be a private note to myself or a note to customer. So I'm going to send this note to the customer, and I can say your product is ready for pick up. Please don't forget to bring the payment on pick up. You can pretty much write anything here. You also have the customer's email address, so you can go ahead and arrange for a pickup time, and then you can just click that add note, and it actually goes to the customer. So once, say, the customer does respond and picks up the order, and they've already showed up, they've made the payment, they've completed the payment, and they're all done, you can simply come here and say completed, and you can update. Now, if I go back to my orders on the left, you can see the orders are completed. If you quickly have a quick glance, you can kind of click on the eye icon there. The other things you can do with the store is you can look at the reports to see when what your sales are. So WooCommerce has recently moved their reports, but if you click over here, if I say this month, this year, you can kind of see all the reports here. Once the real orders start coming in, you can set up a lot of different things. So that pretty much sums up how to process the order. We'll have some more instructions for different items for the website in the next video. Thanks for watching.